So the iOS 16.1.1 battery life test is finally here. What's up guys, this is Mehran from Dynamic Tech and today we are about to do the battery life test of all these iPhone after updating to iOS 16.1.1. As you can see that we have iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, 10, iPhone 10R, 10s Max and iPhone 11. Now let me tell you one thing, this battery life test is very interesting. You will find out that at the end of this video. So without wasting any time, the brightness is set to almost 80%. All of them are SIM free and we are using the same Wi-Fi network. Now we are going to be using all these applications each for 1 hour. So enjoy the music and let's see how many hours backup will we get on screen time after updating to iOS 16.1.1. Also at the end of this test I will show you the battery health of all these iPhone as well. So sit tight and I will be right back.
Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Few late nights cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. I need it, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
Welcome back. Sorry about the timer. This time it just ran out of its battery, so I just restart the timer. Okay, so that's it. We are done with the battery test after iOS 16.1.1. Now let's talk about the battery's health and battery timing. So the iPhone 8 with 80% battery health give up at 3 hours and 5 minutes, which is quite low because if you are buying the iPhone 8 with 80% battery health in 2022, then you will have to charge your iPhone 8 3 to 4 times a day, which nobody would want to. The iPhone 10 with lowest battery health, which is 76%, give up in 3 hours and 45 minutes, and this is the only reason why I will never recommend any iPhone below 80% battery health. iPhone 8 Plus did slightly better with 83% battery health, died at 4 hours and 5 minutes. Now this is good for those who are looking for better camera and best iPhone for social usage in 2022 and 2023. Then comes the iPhone 10R with 82% battery health, give up it 4 hours and 22 minutes, which is recommended for gamers and as well as for moderate users. Just make sure at the time of buying, the iPhone 10R battery health should be around 85%. Here comes the iPhone 11, which did a good job I would say, because 5 hours backup with 84% battery health is not bad at all. And now the iPhone XS Max give tough times to the iPhone 11 and got extra 30 minutes with 85% battery health. So once again, the iPhone XS Max won the battery test against iPhone 11 with almost same battery percent health. So that's it. Just don't expect miracles after iOS 16.1.1 because you will get almost the same battery backup as iOS 16.1. So I would say update your phones and there is no need to worry about the battery timing. Now that's it. Let me know your opinions in the comment section right below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.